Welcome Chevron TRC. We are Dubiski FFA and I'm Jose Pedroza.
I'm Aiden Ochoa.
And I'm Elizabeth Carter.
And this is our 1959 John Deere 630 LP.
This tractor isn't just special because it was a restoration project, but it's also really special since the farmland is south of our school.
That land being a 160-acre farm originally owned by Homer Charles Mitchell, who named the farm Mitchell Farms. At that farm, this tractor was used to cut stalks, spray grass, and strip cotton. That farm was eventually sold off into pieces into what is now Joe Pool Lake and several neighborhoods. One of those neighborhoods being where our very own advisor grew up.
This tractor has personal ties to our school because Othen Alspaugh's daughter married Jeff Seider, and he's a very close and dear friend to John Dubiski.